Hello, this is the PCWorkshops Python Basics course. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to open a CSV or TXT file, and you'll open it with the access mode append, which will enable you to add records into the file. So I'll quickly show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a file name. So here I've created my file name. I'm using my full file path and file name with double backslashes, and I put that into a variable called file name. So now I'm going to open the file. So I create a variable, my file, that represents the file as a local variable. So my statement is open. So I then instruct the computer to open the file, which is this file, and I then use my second parameter in the brackets as an A. So the second parameter in the bracket is A. A stands for append, and it means that the computer will open the file for you, and you'd be able to append new records to the bottom of the file. So you can only append new records to the file when you use the access mode of append. So what I then do is I use my variable that represents my file name. I've equated it to the file name, and my operator is the dot operator, and the method is write. So I'm going to use the write command to append this data, which is also comma separated, and it finishes with a backslash n, and it is in double quotes or single quotes. As you know, you can use the double or single quotes equally. So you apply the write command to the my file. Once you've done that, you close the file again. You are, of course, allowed to append many lines to the bottom of the file. It doesn't only have to be one, but at the moment we're just doing one, and then you close the file. Remember, you must close the file, otherwise you would lose the records. And that's all. You see, it's very simple.